seeing which one's better, we have the triangle passer from Better Hockey
versus the clamp-on passer from Hockey Shop.
We're going to be putting the prices on the screen right now. Alright, so we're going to see which one's better. I think, though, that the Better Hockey is more money than the clamp-on.
Because it's also, like, three-sided.
But I feel like when you're training like this, like going, like training for like just synthetic ice or whatever tiles, I feel like you're never going to be using all
I'm going
three.
to show you guys, like, the difference in the bands. This one is the Hockey Shot Extreme Passer. It's a pretty good band. It's pretty heavy duty, I mean, that. And then it's not as big as the Better Hockey one, also. Then this one is different. It's like an actual, like,
Band.
like, it's very heavy duty also, and it's like very heavy when you pick it up.
Yeah.
And the Hockey Shot one isn't. That's the difference, and this one's also bigger because it has three sides. That's
Alright.
the difference.
So yeah, so now we're going to be testing out like the passing and everything. I feel like though, if you have the Better Hockey passer, the triangle one, if you're trying to do a hard pass, you might want to like put something on top of it and make it lean against something, because watch. Can't get the camera and like show the top views when I pass it, see the movement of it. So watch, when I pass it, it moves a lot. It moves backwards for a hard pass. And shot.
And this one, I like this one better because it's clamped on to the tiles. You just unscrew this lever, and there's clamps under it that clamp onto my tiles, the end of it.
And if you do a hard pass, it doesn't do anything.
Yeah, it doesn't move at all. But that one also passes better because when you pass this one hard, it doesn't like work.
Yeah.
Like see, he passed it hard and he gets stuck.
Well, it got stuck on the tile.
That one's, but I like how this one's clamps.
Can't you like take it off? Yeah, it's like stuck.
Oh my god.
Just gonna end the video real damn quick.
No, don't.
Alright, so I passed it hard that it went like all the way back in the tile over there.
But now, three people who clamp on this at once and move it around.
But if you train it to like 3, 4 and everything. So I feel like that's one of the like if you have like a big area for like roller hockey or off ice training with rollerblades, but I feel like this would be a good one so you can go like all around it like skating and passing and everything.
This one's also more portable. It has like a handle and it's very light and smaller. So if you want to like move around.
But the one thing about this is if you don't have anything to clamp it onto.
Yeah, like if you have like a small shooting pad, then don't bother getting it because it takes the whole thing.
I feel like though this one kind of comes out harder.
No, I feel like that one does.
That's it. Yeah, it does. I feel like, yeah. But I feel like this one makes a noise. You hear this one though, it's like it's so soft. Like I feel like I don't know which one's better for like.
So they're both like different prices. Like this one was like 120 or 50, and this one was only 60. So
60 or 80, I'm not sure.
No, it was 64. But you can work on like one-timers and passing with it. Like, so like you can do like a one-timer, a quick passing.
Yeah, I feel like both.
Just hit that sauce kit there.
And if you want, you can go like on the like Better Hockey Pass, just do like that, and then go across there, and then quick shot, or just do it on
You can do
the
like more drills with that one. And this one is kind of like standing still. This one I also like it because it's not in the same place, so like you can move it around anywhere you want. You can put it in front of you.
Like this passer, it only can go on the edges.
Should I show them how to put it on?
Yeah, but the thing is though, I feel like the Better Hockey, it is like double the price.
Yeah, it kind of looks more durable. It has 3.
So it's kind of double the
So
price.
this is what it looks like, and there's these pegs that basically you put under your tiles, and this is how you like unscrew them. This is like that, and they'll level down. Wait, I think I'm going the wrong way.
Yeah, but the thing is though, I feel like
Just go like that.
that one,
You see they open up?
hard though to see like which one's better or not
I
because
think the better hockey one is.
the prices though. The prices are legit like by such a big difference. So it's kind of hard to say.
Basically screw them in.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to say that which one's better because the price differences.
Yeah.
Because they're by so much. Like, we know that one's 65, and I think this one's around like 120 to 150.
Yeah, but this one also has shipping. Better hockey does.
True.
So it's like probably like Hockey Shot shipping to here is like $70. That was for me. Probably like 40. So it'll be like $100. So that's kind of like the same. But I think I would go with that one.
Okay, I would go with the better hockey triangle passer because you can move it all around like your space. So you can like if you're training, you can like go like that. You can go like you can have it in front of you. You can have it to the side of you, like it could be over there and you can be passing.
3 people can pass on one.
And the clamp-on passer, you could have it like out in front of you, but the tiles end where you are. So like wherever that is, the tiles end. So like that's one of the bad things about it. But you probably can, if there was no shipping on these, that you can probably buy 2 of them, and they'd be the same price. And I would honestly probably still go with the better hockey.
So now we're just gonna do some shooting on them both.
Okay. So now I'm just gonna start shooting.
This one, because it has like more sides, you can do more drills with it. It's more heavy duty than that one. But I also really like this one because you can clamp it on. It's like the only reason it won't move at all.
Yeah, but if you're like, I like this extreme passer because I like just going like that and then bring out front and then hitting there, just going up and shooting.
This one's for like one time.
So I feel like the better hockey passer is better than the extreme passer from Hockey Shot. And by the way, I was using the infamous hockey twig. And I was shooting.
That's going to wrap up the video, so please subscribe, like the video, and ring the bell so you get notifications. And bye, guys.
Bye.